I'm Kevin Joshi from Dr. Jivraj Mehta Institute of Technology, Anand.
Hi, I am Prakash. I am from Baroda Institute of Technology from Mechanical Department.
Hi, I am Jaipal Singh Champawat, Assistant Professor Electrical Department, Dr. Jivraj Mehta Institute of Technology.
Hi, I am Tanvi from Dr. Jivraj Mehta Institute of Technology in Anand. Hello, we all are connected to our moms. So my first canvas is in empathy. So in that I am taking design for home appliances and the user is our mom. और उसके बाद daughter, physically challenged persons, then small businessmen or all we are. In that activity we are our mom taking cooking, washing, cleaning, shopping, switching handicraft items, other than hobbies, or they are caring for our animals as well as ours. So she is having so many works, so didn't give the time for more time for cooking. So we are taking her as a hero. And stakeholder, father, son, senior citizen and working woman. So our two happy and two sad story. In happy story मैंने लिया है हमारी मोम के ऊपर जो पूरा दिन काम करती है और उसके बाद भी वो हमारे लिए सब कुछ करती रहती है. तो फर्स्ट मैंने वो एक स्मॉल विलेज में हमारे ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन विलेज में वर्क करती है. तो वो हाउसवाइफ है और उसके हिसाब से वो अपने चिल्ड्रन की केयर करती है और डेली हाउस होल्ड एक्टिविटी करती है. फिर बाद में वो अपनी बेटी को बाहर भेजती है. तो पूरा काम करके वो अपनी बेटी को बाहर भेजती है और वो अच्छी तरह से पढ़ लिख के इंजीनियर बन जाती है. और सेकेंड स्टोरी दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सेकेंड.
सो इस सैड स्टोरी के अंदर ये है कि जब बच्ची पढ़ लिख के आगे बढ़ना चाहती है तब उसके अंदर वो जो सोशल बैरियर वगैरह हो जाता है और उसके फादर वगैरह बाहर पढ़ने के लिए भेजते नहीं है और उसके साथ साथ वो बैरियर को पार करके वो अपने हिसाब से आगे बाहर पढ़ना चाहती है. दूसरी सैड स्टोरी मेरी ये है कि जब ये गांव के अंदर हम नेचुरल सोर्सेज के ऊपर से वाटर डिराइव करते हैं तो वो वाटर में कुछ भी गिर जाता है तो उसके कारण एक टाइम की बात है कि जब उसके अंदर कॉलेरा और ऐसी बीमारी उसके अंदर फैल गई तो उसके लिए ये पूरा गांव के अंदर प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट हो गया और उस प्रॉब्लम के कारण सबके अंदर बीमारी फैल गई. The next sheet is represented by my second.
The next sheet comprises of the project ideation, which includes the home appliances. First, we start off with the people who are directly or indirectly affected by this product, namely tourists, frequent travelers, household goods, food processing businesses, physically challenged, mobile catering businesses, etc., which are included or listed in the people sections. These activities which are followed by these people, which integrates home appliances, are listed down here. For example, cooking, cleaning, washing, shopping, agriculture activities, while traveling, during adventure sports, or home office, or in entertainment. These activities, along with people, are described in the context, situation, and location, which describes the where, why, and how situation of the product. So, if you list down the home or a household product, will be useful in kitchen, drawing room, storeroom, or bathroom, which can comprise of a context which includes a joint family or a gathering or an occasional occasions. The next is restaurants, may be used in food processing industries, cleaning, washing, or billing informations, or to provide nutrition information, which also includes a hygiene context or in portable or mobile vehicles where we can use that is food on wheels or quick service or compact design equipments, which can be later on transformed for comfort or effective use. Next is a working or women or frequent travelers. Based on this people, activities and situation, context and location, we integrate our product with the possible prop solutions and possible outcomes, which includes using of renewable energy, cost effectiveness, energy efficient. Maybe the things can be connected through internet or in the Internet of Things, where all the appliances in the house can be smartly controlled or can be operated. Also, we believe in using alternative for recreational use as well as product sustainability. Also, making it easy to operate, upgrade and sustainable.
So third canvas is on product development. So in second canvas we diverge so very much. In this canvas we converge our thoughts. So whatever props are there, we select easy to use, multiple applications, easy, convenient, easy to maintain. Now also we filtered our users. Okay, we concentrate on housewives and cooks more, or chefs. So and the product experience. So when the customers see the product, what they feel. So the the product is convenient to use. It must be reliable. It saves the time. So these are the experience of customers. Then product functions. So the product which we select is a multiple application based product. Okay, there are number of features integrated in one product. So these are the different functions are crushing, heating, and veining. So in that the features are compact, uniform, fast, reliable, and safety purpose. And then the components. Now we are going to integrate the product. Suppose say if there is a recipe of suppose paneer tikka. So in gravy we add some dry masalas. Okay, so first what chefs do, they put whole masalas on pan, it heat it up, and when the aroma is come, then it put it into the mixtures and then mix it and then add to the recipe. So for that he used number of instruments, like he used pan and gas, then he used a mixture machine to grind it, then he used a weighing machine for exact chemistry of masalas. So here we integrate the three functions in one device. So one is weighing machine, then another one is a mixture, and third one is a heating element. So all three are interconnected. Then these are some feedbacks from other teams. So what about the cleaning? What happened for cleaning? So we suggest for a jet. So it is in redesign. So no rejection is there, and all the features are retained. So thank you.